goes quiet and the voices fade away, when my hands no longer hold the things I thought would stay. Do I think about the hours I spent trying to be enough? Do I count the sleepless nights or all the harder roads I chose? Do I wonder why I worried about things that disappear? The right car, the right clothes, the need to always persevere. Do I think about possessions or the words I never said? Do I search the past for moments still alive inside my head? And when I can no longer answer, will I still hear someone speak? Will love still reach me softly, even if my body's weak? What do we think about at the edge of breathing, when the world grows distant and the light turns thin? Do we think about forgiveness, about the hearts we couldn't mend? Do we think about the people we were too afraid to love again? And if I cannot open my eyes or say a final word, will I still feel your presence there? Will I still know I'm hurt? Do I think about the mornings I was too distracted to see, the hands that tried to hold me, the ones that never let me leave? Do I remember conversations that I thought I had more time for, the simple chance to listen that I kept postponing more and more? Do I think about old anger still locked behind a door, and wonder why I carried it like a wound I couldn't cure? Do I finally understand that what mattered all along, that being deeply human was more important than being strong? And maybe in those final hours, there's a silence deep and wide, where every mask falls from us and nothing's left to hide. Maybe we don't fear the darkness as much as being alone. Maybe every voice of kindness becomes a pathway home. What do we think about when the world begins to fade? Do we measure all our failures or the love we tried to make? Do we hear the ones beside us even when we cannot speak? Do their words become the lantern in the last and quietest deep? And when my breathing slows and this life loosens from my hands, I hope I won't regret the times I chose to truly stand. Not for status, not for appearances, not for proving I belonged, but for every soul I listened to and every heart I touched along the way.